So we're going to be continuing the live stream, and today we're going to be kind of uploading and improving our Code Crusher agency page. So I see that we have to update some of the things, some of the fields. So I'm going to create a section here, and I'm going back here to my description. And we're going to use some of the stuff that we got. So what we got, our recommendation. And for those who are watching and need services, I'm here. So AI-driven MVPs and scalable software for startups and growing businesses. I like this tagline and it's SEO. So let's go and change that. Your tagline is a short phrase that describes the areas of expertise I mentioned. Okay, multimedia marketing video. Alright, let's just save this. Okay, we got that tagline done, and then availability, accepting new projects, limited capacity. I don't know, so I don't see that. Overview. Code written, rewritten code crusher builds AI powered MVPs, production ready web application scalable software systems for founders, startups, and growing businesses. Okay, what we specialize in, very important for SEO, AI powered MVP development for startups, web application, our tech stack, senior level. Why in the world is it? How do we work? Where this is where you win trust. We don't just code task. We help you make the right technical decisions early. Our clients choose Code Crusher. We may not be a good fit if you're looking for the cheapest option. Ideal clients we work with, startup founders, SaaS teams, educators, and edtech platforms. Call to action, very important. If you're building something meaningful and want it done right, let's talk. We're happy to have review your idea, product, or roadmap and give you a clear technical direction even before starting. Upwork Agency Manager top banner headline, big tech, AI powered MVPs, build fast, build right. I kind of like that subheadline startup SaaS. I don't know if it can generate me one. Dark modern background. Okay. After that, Upwork SEO keywords buried naturally. These are some of the keywords, and these are like things that we can use. So final strategy note: this positioning filters out bad clients, attracts idea stage and plus funded founders. Okay, if you want even stronger wording, a more aggressive startup tone, lead magnet style CDA, and banner image generator now. Okay, I can get the banner image. I have some of the assets here in my folders. I think it's no. Let's go back. Code Crusher logos. Okay, we got some of the assets here, so we can use these. And I'll say, but I'll go later. What I can do right now is I want to make sure that yeah. So this available now, right? So you want to change this because this one's not attracting anyone right now at the moment. And I don't know about this video, but this video is, I remember I generated an AI video and it doesn't look that great. I mean, I even got a copyright on this video, I remember. I don't know how it generated 44 views, but what we can do is we can available now. Okay, we'll just say copy, and we'll say this is the old description. I need the new one replaced with this one. Alright, so let's just paste that one. And it should be in a good format. It should follow that format scheme. I don't know where's the edit button here, but you could change that, change the hourly rate. 1K earned so far, one total job. Remember since 23, man, it's been a long time. Um, so how do we edit this? I just want to see overview, edit. Okay. Okay, this is edit agency overview, summarize, and this one. And we have this. Okay. Image, upload different video link. Okay, I got it. So what we're gonna say is okay. This is the old. This is the old overview. Um, um, Replace this one, this old one, with the new one with good formatting, and I'm formatting. So let's see what happens now. Press enter. Let's see what it does. Those a clean, modern, high conversion placement for your Upwork edit agency overview. So let's see, AI powered accepting new projects. We have that green thing. Okay, if you want, I can. Okay, I think it's good. So let's see. I have the it has the things, but let's see. Right now we didn't have anything. Okay, now it's this one. So accepting new projects, Codewriter builds AI-powered MVPs and scalable web applications for startups and growing businesses. What we do best, AI-powered application, internal tools, MVP development. I mean, is this even like a bullet point or what is it? Go back here. What we do best, AI-powered applications. Okay, there are bullet points actually. What we do best. Okay, so there's no like bullets. We can't like add bullets here. So I don't know. This, our technical focus. Okay, how many was it? Three? Let's go back here. One, two, three. Okay, our technical focus. And then we have one, two, three. How we work. Okay, I think I don't know. Can we get a, some text like that? Looking at older other profiles. So this is the one that we have. But if we look at someone else's profile, like this one, I see we have these dashes. Okay, let's see what's in the other ones. Okay, we got those bullet points here. So I think dashes are the most perfect one. Let's see what's up with this one. There's nothing here. So what we can do is we can have those dashes up set, right? Let's go to this and just add these dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put a space for them just so that it looks much better here. Okay, now we're good, and then we'll save it. See how it looks like. Okay, okay, that's okay. I don't know. Code Crusher. All right. Next, we have these services, and there's no skills. There's nothing, and featured clients. We don't have anything, so we need to fill this up. Um, so what we can do is services. Um, Now we have the services section, and we're gonna go here. We can change up the service. We can actually edit the web development and service description, add in. I don't know, some people have added that. Highlight the services your agency offers to clients. Add up to 10 different services to the profile. Since we are, getting inspiration from others as well, so that we could just get some kind of idea. Okay, we got it. Okay, okay, so you can actually go to the website. Okay, then it doesn't even work. Okay, so this one. Let's go here. This one's gonna work. Yeah, some kind of so it's some kind of t-shirt design website, e-commerce. And this one, Print Genie, is another SaaS. Let's see what it does. Okay, it's gonna log you in, sign up or log in. Free to print. Okay, anyways, free to print. Yeah, I like that name. So, um, web development. AI integrations, AI apps and integrations, e-commerce, other software development. Let's look at the other one. Delete that. AI apps and integrations is on the top. Web development, mobile development, data extraction, and ETL. So how many did you do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9? I think so. They did 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is founded in 2020. And they have a range scale. So I like that range scale. If we could get a range scale like that, let's see. How many there are these? Okay, so we got other software development, web development, mobile development, product design, AI, and machine learning. So they did do that. And then, okay, we got a couple of image slides as well. So staunch helped the Fiverr company itself to develop an AI-based tweet to blog automation tool by using OpenAI and integrating it with Twitter and WordPress for Fiverr. Okay, so they've made it for Fiverr. Okay, so let's go ahead and okay, AI exception. Okay, so when you like open this up, that's where it changes. Okay, and then we got the tags as well. Why not we go ahead and I can see there's a range here to an hourly rate range. I like the range set like this, 20 to 50. So I like this range. So why not we do that range? Let's go here and we go and say we make a range. So hourly range, that's perfect. 20, 25 to 50. I think that's good. 25 to 50. Let's see, save. Okay, that looks better. Add minimum project size. Add minimum project size. So we could say like 1,000 plus. Save. Okay, you can actually say that as well if you want. Okay, total jobs. Okay, anyways, let's go back to services. Oh, so I'm gonna have to remove some of them or most of them because we need the AI one. That's something very useful for us. So let's go here. Mm, yeah, AI machine learning, AI and machine learning, and what is the other one? Um, AI apps and integrations. Okay, AI and machine learning, AI apps and integrations, AI apps and integrations, AI apps and integrations. Okay, let's go with AI apps and integrations. That's the first one because that's useful. So we're going back here and I'm gonna click plus, and I'm gonna say okay. Web, mobile, and software, and AI apps and integrations. And we can give a description of what highlight the services your agency offers to clients, up to 10 different services to the profile. Add agency service, no project showcase, show project showcase optional. So all projects. Um, so I can't add that, but when you do this, you can see AI apps and integrations right here. So what we're gonna do is you gotta put this on the top right here so that it comes in the very top. And then we're gonna definitely edit this so that includes everything for us. Alright, so now that's there. Web development is the second one. Let's see, web development, mobile development, web development. Okay, let's see. Web development, mobile development is right here. Let me put that on the. Okay, so I'm gonna have to rearrange again. Mobile development, and then we have. Okay, we got data extraction ETL, web and mobile design, Q&A testing, scripts and utilities, desktop application development, e-commerce development. I don't know. Let's see over here. Web development, e-commerce development, other software development. Okay, I think I like that. Other software. So, other software development, there you go. Desktop, mobile development. e-commerce development. So why not we delete this? I don't need scripts and utilities. Um, delete this. Game design and development. This whole thing. E-commerce development. Blockchain, NFT, and crypto. Let's leave that. Web and mobile design. So you can see over here, web and mobile design is um, over here. If I go back, this one has web and mobile design, Q&A, testing scripts, and okay, desktop application development and e-commerce development. Can we add e-commerce development? So e-commerce development. Um, okay, I'm gonna have to rearrange and put this design thing up or like that. So I think for now this looks better. Okay. And I think we're gonna have to add some description here. So um, for this one, so let's see. Okay, so okay. Um, we we are now we are now in the which section? Services section. Um, give me a nice SEO maximum SEO max Upwork SEO for the following service. Okay. And then we have that service here. Uh, did I just copy the random? I had to copy. Okay. So service subscription. Next project showcase. So over here, here's into the AI and apps integration section. It's written to rank for searches and tracks. Okay, bro, it's not that long. It's not even supposed to be long. We just have 300 characters. We just have 300 characters. So make make it like a paragraph. All right, so let's see what it gives us now. Because if you look back to this one, so like it gives us one text, right? There's a dash there. M dashes. M dashes. No. No, no, no. M dashes. I like the pictures. Build and integrates product. Okay, let's see. And I can just say that and save it. No project showcase. And I don't have any project option. This is the problem. Edit agency service. Show project showcase, and there's nothing to show. So if we have the project, we can add it there, right? So now we can just say, okay. Uh, now do the same for this one. So we're going to keep doing this side by side until we get web development, build modern, scalable. Okay, no project showcase right now. We don't have anything. So apps, web agency services. There you go. It should exist. Okay, now let's go back here and talk about the mobile. Now this one, I should have done this earlier, but since it's a new year, I'm thinking of just improving these agency pages. I'm going to add the project section because we don't have that, so that should be added. Develops reliable, high-performance mobile applications built with real business goals. We build scalable, user-focused mobile solutions with clean architecture, smooth user experiences, and long-term maintainability. And then we keep going until we finish this up. So instead of it always starting. Okay, now this one. I don't know. Let's see what is the format. The other ones we specialize our e-commerce, AI solutions, using LLMs, GANs, integrated into existing. Okay. Starting with Code Crusher in each service, and we mix it up with unique intros, unique starting lines. That's a smart move for both readability and SEO, user-centered. Okay, this one was for web and mobile design. Man, I feel like we can add more text. It feels like there's like emptiness in the sections. So now do for this one. So conversion focused e-commerce platforms. All right, so let's just go and paste that in. All right, so now we have this one. Now do this one. Okay. I would appreciate under 300 character description. They're always under, but how many characters are left? It's always 82 characters left. Don't do that. Okay. So we can say, okay, now no, fix up this one. Also add 30 more characters to it. So let's see what it does. All right, so can we do this one? Now this one. Now do the same for this one. Okay, so we're gonna put that. Modern with 50 more characters. Improved tone. Let's see. 66. Bro, what kind of. You're not even adding more characters. You're just leaving it like that. Now, this one. Hmm. Okay, we can add them in if scenario requires it, but right now I think we're good. We can add these images later, so I'm just gonna close these um, things. Carousel, what I don't know what do you call it? Accordion skills. Okay, in the skills section we can add a bunch of skills. Now, the skills that we normally do is it kind of consists of all these things. So web development, AI chatbot. What is this one over here? AI chatbot, Python, generative AI. I think we could do something like that. And then we have featured clients as well. So How much is this one? Okay, this one is more of, there's no AI in this one, I see. But yes, we gotta make sure we are AI optimized. So let's go with the first one. I'm gonna go to this section. I'm just gonna copy these and maybe put them here as a reference. And then also gonna copy some of this one over here and just copy that in another section. Okay, so yeah, or you can just copy it right here and just compare the two. Okay, first one we want to do is AI chatbot, or let's say web development. So what's the last one? Let's look at the last one too. The reason why I'm looking at these is because these are already so successful on Upwork. So that's why, now the last one doesn't have mobile development in the first, but it has um, Python at the first. So that's unique. How about we do that? Okay, there it gets smaller and smaller in size. I wish I could have done it, but it doesn't allow me. That's the problem. Okay. Anyways, so what we can do first is, uh, so we can say AI chatbot and then generative AI. Okay. So we'll start with AI app development. Okay. So let's go here. So it's not this one. Ah, bro, where are we? Um, AI app development. Yeah, this one. AI app. So we got tons of AI stuff. Classifier chatbot. Say AI app development. Second, let's say mm, Python. Okay. Third, generative AI. Generative AI. AI chatbot. Let's say AI chatbot. Then React Native Django. Okay, we can do that. So we can say um, React Native Django. I like it. OpenAI. See ChatGPT. ChatGPT API integrations. Um, LLMs. I like it. AI agent development. AI agent development. Um, then we have SAS. SAS. Okay. Redux, large language models. I like all of this stuff. Redux, or we could say React. Um, large language model. Um, generative AI prompt. Okay. Then, um, React Electron. Okay. Redux. Electron, and let's see. Can do over here. SAS, AWS Amplify, SAS, React, Framer, AI chatbot. Did we have that? I think that was the first one. AI app development, computer vision software. Computer vision. And we could say full stack development, web application development, or custom app, API development. Let's see. I can do that. So I'll say API development, and then we have custom app. Okay, that's max. I think we're good. API development. So we can just take out the electron and say API development. Let's see what happened. Okay, so now we have the portfolio section. Oh no, the portfolio showcase agency work to impress and win more projects. So let's see. So we have a project, cover, category, and all this stuff. How can we do that? So first one I can do um, is that one. So the image we have is this one, Belto. So Belto 01 ping. Let's see. Okay, so I assume we have the history for that. I just scroll on the top. It should exist. So yeah, come on, let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up. There you go. Let's go up. Let's keep going up, 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 up. Let the development and deployment of. Okay. Okay. Um, so, uh, for this project, okay, now let's go to the portfolio section on Upwork agency profile page. All right. So I need the project title, project overview, project image, project files, category, project URL, completion date, skills. I need all of that. So let's go back here. I need the following. I mean, if I didn't do this, then who was going to do it, right? So here's a high-end Upwork optimized portfolio for Belto World. Belto is out to build an education. Okay, so okay, project title. There you go. So we have project title over there, project overview. I don't know why it didn't include the overview section. Okay, client goal, client outcome. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, client goal, contribution, implementation, outcome, and impact. Okay, after that, what do we have? Category, AI apps, and integration. Okay, let's see. Go back here. Okay, we got the cover image, project files, category. So we got the web and app mobile software development, AI apps and integration. Okay, project URL. We got the project URL, which is so we can just say belto.world. It's this one. Let's copy this one and bring it here in the URL. And then we have the completion date. And I think we completed it last year. And around, I think it was July 22. Okay, skills. Okay, what are the skills? We can add up to 15 skills. So Yeah. So we can add all these skills. I don't know. Let's see if that can be added like that. But I don't think so. But let's see. No, it didn't add. So the first one is, okay, we're gonna have to add like that manually. So I'm gonna copy this. So I'm gonna make a new one. So AI app development is the first skill. So let's see. AI app development doesn't pop up. Okay, there it is. Okay, and then we go and keep going. Artificial intelligence is the second skill. So let's look at that. Um, yep. And then we have third one is LLM and integration. So we go here and then we paste it. So LLM integration doesn't exist. LLM prompt, large language model. All right. After that, we have AI agents, bro. So we have AI agents. So let's see. AI agents, are you there? Oh, AI agent development. That's good. API development, we need that. So let's go here. API development. Nah, not Windows API, but API development. After that, we have a web application development. So let's copy that one, bring it here. Web application development. Sorry, web application development, which is copy it and paste it here. After that, we have SaaS development. Go back here, SaaS development. Then we have education, edtech, education technology. I don't know. I can say that it would never exist. So yeah, education. Education software. There you go. Python. Let's add that one. Python, and then we got backend development. So I'm gonna add backend development. Backend, backend development. Let's see, backend doesn't even exist actually. So after that, we have system architecture. I don't know if that one's gonna exist. I doubt. I doubt it. System. System design will go. No. System deployment. Configuration. Design. No. Design. Why don't we have that? Why don't we have it, bro? System administration. System analysis. System maintenance. System installation and upgrades. Okay, after that, what we have is scalable systems, automation workflows. I'm just gonna go scalable systems. No. Automation workflows. Automation workflow. Automation framework. All right. So I didn't have the spec sheet, so it just has this. You click on it, it takes you here. Um, okay, it just takes you here. So um, I could have like a PDF, man. Now the thing is, like, they want to ask change image project files, upload project files. So we can add like a project file of Belto. I don't know if there's like any project file that I have. I wish I did have. But it's just like videos and stuff. Anyways, I don't know if this is perfect. Client goal, Belto, whatever, set to out. Led the development area. Okay, results. Alright, so let's just keep it right now like this. Okay, next project. How many should we add? That's the goal in the question. Because if you go to these projects, we have, okay, we got one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 portfolio projects. And what about the other ones? So we have um, 12 portfolio. We don't have any over here. Um, and over here we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3 over here. Can I have 3 actually? Start with 3 or 4. So let's start with 3 first. Okay. So let's go with the next one, which is um, let's go, 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 go. Okay. I think we can talk about not yak.football, but we could talk about go back to Upwork. So I did recently add some projects. Mm. So yeah, Cloud Code is coming for our jobs. Yeah, I know, man. All you can do is just be brave and become AI's best friend. And what I mean by that is learn how to use AI to code even faster. Even if it's good with better than you, um, just help and get as much knowledge as possible. Okay, that's the goal. I don't know why my viewership drops. If you guys want me to do something different, then let me know. I don't know. It's already 41 minutes on this stream. Time flies when you're having fun. So now that we are here, oh, man. So yeah, so what I was saying is that we need to add more projects. And if I go to Upwork, so let's go to Upwork and I'll show you the portfolio section. I think when we skip the portfolio, I think we do this. We're not allowed to edit things. Yep, your organization was changed in another window, and the current page may no longer work as expected. Please save any ongoing work. So it's not going to work anymore. So you can't save anything. So that's not good. Okay, so what you want to do is maybe just have a look at what you're offering. So one was this real estate management, then it was this Epic Roam. I don't know why they're under review. Um, so I get this one, bro. Full stack web development. Why is it like that? Oh, okay. It says over here, I wish he would have done the website as he had promised to do. I mean, what is that review, man? I don't get it. Some like clients just mess up your profile, and it's crazy how they don't really care about anything, even if you worked really hard on things and you tried your best. All right, so now, okay, okay, now do the same for this project, and then the project is this one. Let's see what it does. So, cleverly estate. Um, man, I had more projects in the line, but okay, so cleverly estate marketing. We copy that one, and then we paste it here. Come on, and then we can add the client goal, contribution and implementation, and outcome and impact. So like that. Image upload. I have it. So it's this one right here. Okay, I like it. Project files I don't have, and then it's going to tell me where in the category section: web development, real estate software, custom software development. So let's see. Um, so we have what is it? web, mobile, and software development. And then we have, um, bro, web, mobile, and software development. And then what we have here is um, desktop application, web development, I would say. Because there's nothing I can like manage with. Like, see, what can I match with? So you could see over here, real estate, custom real estate software. I don't see that, right? So I'm just gonna keep it as web development. Project URL, do we have it? Um, we had the project URL somewhere, and I think it was in Contra. Um, I think so. Let's see, contra.com. It's not here. It's in this one. So contra.com, and over here we have the link to this particular one. So if I go to the messages, or I go here, profile. No, I'll just go profile. Bro, look how disgusting this one looks, man. No one's gonna like it if you just put it like that, man. What is that? Get it fixed. If you don't get it fixed, then you're not gonna get the clients. Look, what is this? It's so unorganized, unavailable now. Make this yourself available. I am available till this date. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to fix that up. I think the real estate link was somewhere over here. So, coding cleverly, real estate. So let's see what happens. No, it's this one, I believe so. Real estate there. It's this one right here. Live link. Look how bad this link looks. You could have got like a better link. Hello, what's my favorite language? Python is my favorite language because I had so much fun learning it in the beginning, and I made so many fun projects with Python. And if I had to choose a language to learn first to do programming, I would do C++, um, because it teaches you everything you need to know about programming. And then when you're done in C++, go with Python. I think that's the best way to go. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's go. Okay, this link broke again. We had to switch back to our agency section. Bro, what the heck? It just breaks all the links. Okay, so this is that Myrna state. Um, yeah, so we're gonna put that thing over here, and then we have completion. I think we did it back in 24. I have a feeling, and it was around like March, February something. 28 skills. Okay, with skills, and you're gonna have if you had to choose only one language to use till the end of time, what language would you choose? Well, that's a really good question. And I don't know, what would you choose? You tell me, the owner of bread. Because for me, I would choose probably, I think Python. I think it's the most safe. The reason why I say that is because you can do anything with Python. You can do data science, okay? You can do machine learning, you can do AI, you can do web development, you can do web scraping or scraping, you can do scripting and automation. So basically, you know everything with Python. That's why I would say that's the safest language. And I don't think Python will ever die. It's really popular. JavaScript is another good language for web development. It's the king of all developments for web. So yeah, it's a tough choice between Python and JavaScript, but I would go with Python because of its simplicity. All right, so now we have skills. In the skills section, we can add, um, yeah, so skills. Where's that? Yeah, I think it was over here. I would choose assembly. Well, you are actually very wise. But I don't know. I mean, it's a meme, people choosing assembly, and um, you know, choosing a language like that is, you basically want to invent everything yourself. So you have to reinvent everything. If you try to write the Hello World program in assembly, uh, and that takes so many lines of code to write. Hi, I am becoming a software engineer. I am in my second semester. Any tips to start earning? Okay, good question, Afak. And what I did was I created a video earlier about how to make money online in 2026. Go with freelancing. That's the best goal to start off. And I told more than just freelancing. So I'm gonna link the video so that you guys can have the whole thing. I might
In
add
this
a,
video,
I might add a thumbnail for this one because I didn't get. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for this one. Go with freelancing. Go with open source contributions. You can make a ton of money online with AI training and stuff. Okay, because you can code anything and with enough time and skill ever and out other coding languages. Because you can code anything with enough time and skill ever. Well, yeah, you're right. Assembly can you can make you can make your own compilers and stuff. But look, the thing is, Brad, listen to me. We got to be efficient when we code. We can't just take weeks on building something. So I say to you, build me an app, and you say, okay, let me code that in assembly. I mean, you're going to be a Einstein. You could be an Einstein if you can complete that within possibly 3, 4 months, but it's going to take years because everything has to be written crazy, in a way. And I remember my computer organization and assembly language course I took when I was doing my bachelor's in college, and man, I got sick of assembly a bit. I'm like, what the heck? Every single thing, even a loop, you got to invent yourself. Even an if condition, you got to jump, you got to do those kind of conditions, and it's crazy. But for those who love architecture, it's beautiful, and you can kind of understand piece by piece whatever how machines work. Web development. So we're gonna use these four tags. Let's go back here. Web development, and not consultation. Web development. All right. I'll just add web development. It's not giving. Okay, that give me an option here. Ah, and then we go back. Just copy the whole thing actually. Um, and then just choose what we need. So over here we need software engineering. Let's see. So software. No, software is not coming. Software architecture, design. Let's use that. We'll use Django. That's definitely gonna appear. Um, Angular. Let's use that. I was giving you numbers of which Angular. Angular. We'll just say Angular simple. Material UI. Has anyone used Material UI before? Let me know in the chats. Guys, when you guys come in the chats, let me know where you guys are talking from, which country. All right. What website do you want assembly? Okay, make me Facebook in assembly. Can you do that, please? Or make the next TikTok in assembly. Laravel. So yeah, SQL. And guys, let me know what you guys want to have. Like, what kind of content do you want to see more often in the channel? And I'll make more videos on those. This year I'm trying to really build my the channel to 100K subscribers, so your support really will mean a lot. These days everyone's just getting so many views and subscribers, and why not coding cleverly? The most hardest working person on earth who has more than 380 videos on YouTube, and I mean, I barely get views on them, and they're so helpful. I mean, I've taught so many languages, programming, I did so many projects, so many crash courses. It's insane that it's just like underrated. Okay, back end is not there. Front end development. I think that maybe should be there, but let's see. Front end, not front. Front is not front end development. There you go. Data responsive design, responsive design, and then we got um, database design. So database design. There you go. And then we got scalable systems. Not There's not there. I'll just add this one. And we got the real estate platforms. It's not gonna exist. It's not gonna. Oh, real estate platform. It doesn't exist, but real estate. What about just real estate in general? Let's see. So that's our second project. We have to add two. Oh my God. No, you piece of shit. No, you idiot, man. What the heck did I do? I changed that. So dumb. I wish I knew that before, man. So messed up, man. I gotta do that again. Come on. Let me do this really quickly. Real estate, um, title, description is over here. And then we have um, project files. All right, so over here we have web, mobile, and software. And we have web development. Where is it? Other website. I don't even see website. Okay, web development. Project URL, completion date. Come on. All right, so yeah, so let's just do that as February 14. Bro, what in the world, man? Web app development. Web development. Web development. And then we got Django. Django stack. Okay. Angular. Material UI. Laravel. SQL. Backend development. Front-end development. Come on, it's so case sensitive. Front end development. Responsive design. It's not gonna exist. Oh, it is. Um, Database design doesn't exist. Oh, it does exist. What the heck? Scalable systems and scalable transaction processing and real estate. Real estate. All right, save. It should be saved now, please. Okay, good. So now let's add one more. And now it should be the other one, which is Epic Rome. Bro, what the heck? Now I really gotta remove this. I don't know why this person ruined the profile. It's because of him. Okay, now do the same for this one. Alright, so I am talking from Pakistan. Alright, we got from Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. And no one's viewing our channel anymore. It would be nice if you post videos about how to use AI efficiently with coding and also about cybersecurity if that's your expertise. I can do that. I don't have an issue. And I'm thinking of making more videos on AI space now. So that's definitely in the bucket list. Okay, sir. Let's go. I think Bread is gone, the owner of Bread. Okay, so let's go back here. Rome Epic. Let's go Rome Epic. And these are just some of the projects that I've done over the years. So I'm just adding them description wise, trying to sell our coding knowledge so that we can make money and we can eat. Okay, so we got yeah, Travel Epic, Rome Epic. Okay, category. This is also software. And we'll say web and mobile. So let's see, web and mobile design, web and e-commerce, mobile. Let's say web and mobile design. We don't have a URL. That's the bad part. But I think we have a GitHub repo of Rome Epic. Let's see over here, travel blog. I think it doesn't search my repositories, but it would search everyone's repositories. So if I search here and I say travel blog, let's see what happens. Okay, we got the travel blog app. 44 commits 3 years ago. I'll just use this as the link because I can't find the URL deployment one. And we're just gonna paste it right here. And we're gonna say, okay, it was done in 23, I believe. So yeah, and skills. So what's the skills of these? It is this stuff. Copy, copy. Paste it. Full stack development, application development. Let's see. Full stack. It's not gonna exist. Full stack. Full full stack development. Web web application. Web application development also exists, bro. Next.js. Next.js. I don't know. There was a wave of Next.js getting popular in back in October, November of 23, and then it was continued till 24. But now no one even uses Next.js. Come on. Node.js. Then we got MongoDB. one of the easiest database platforms out there. I have an event I have to go to, MongoDB event. It's like the 21st here in Austin. PostgreSQL. I don't know. This year I was thinking of opening up a Twitch channel. Appreciate your work. Already a subscriber and will recommend your channel with my fellows. Keep the good work. Your channel will grow for sure. Sir, we really want to grow our channel just like those channels that are in Pakistan, super popular. Um, Ducky Bhai and all these channels have 9 million, 10, almost 10 million subscribers. Why don't we have people who are educating and teaching, in the millions as well? And then there are channels that like GFX Mentor. I'm from Lahore, so I know a lot about Pakistani YouTube channels. So, I think um, it's a little slow for us, but we're in the journey. Tailwind CSS. And if you are not, those um, people could join the Discord server. I think so. It's linked here. So if you join the Coding Cleverly Discord server, you can actually interact with everyone and me. So here we have, introduce yourself. Once you're done, you can go and just go here. Hi, I like the way you explain. You can get notified of the new videos that are being uploaded. Okay, I didn't even check that one for a long time. And then we have coding intros. Okay, this is gonna help you. I think we have general. Oh, we have people logging in. 2517. Elon Musk has joined as well. So if he joined, why can't you guys join? Okay, so let's go back. So we got another trailer, Doomsday, Avengers Doomsday. Let me know in the chat who is hyped for Avengers. I hope it doesn't disappoint like the newer Marvel movies that are, released. I didn't like Fantastic Four that much, honestly. It was not that good. It was my opinion. I mean, I've seen better Marvel movies, so I hope Doomsday could be better and will be better. Okay, so now we have, okay, Tailwind CSS backend development is not there. Front end development is there, so we can just do that one. Front end development. Responsive design is the other one. And then we have API integration. We got database design. And then we have scalable systems. I'll just add a API development. If you have that, then we got this one too. Please, it shouldn't break because I didn't change it now. Okay, so 3, let's add one more. But then when we add one more, that means we need 105 to make it seem well, right? So I think we got travel Rome Epic, we got that one. We have one which is, let's see. It's gonna be over here. Cross that out. Um, it's Cleverly Estate. It's, bro, I gotta take that out. It's terrible. It's this one. All right, so I'll copy that one. Go back. Now do the same for this one. I don't know, one thing I was thinking, like, they're making the descriptions too long. Thank you, fuck. Okay, React real-time weather app intelligence platform. Let's go here. React real-time intelligence platform. And we got the client goal. Bro, why is it so long? All right, so let's add the image. Let's add the category. And I'll just add other software, other software development, project URL. Bro, the thing is we have the URL. No? I had it in my old weather app. It was a Netlify app link. Netlify. Um, this one. What do you guys think about this funny looking app that I created a long time ago? Okay, it has a search. I can't even see the search, man. What in the world is this? Yeah, search is hidden. It's terrible. Now, if you enter something like, let's suppose, Austin, and then search, enter doesn't even work. And it'll give you the live weather of Austin. It's a terrible app, man. But I was learning React that time for the first time. So, I don't know what you guys think about this one. Yeah, let's go back to the application here. Go back. Categories. Category front end development. We got the we got the skills over here. Copy this one and then paste this one. React. Is there like front end development? Let's see. I'm trying to find it, but I can't see it. Um, I'll add the last one as the e-commerce one. I mean, it kind of feels obsolete now, e-commerce websites, but it's still like useful. People still want to sell items online. Front end, front end development, JavaScript, API integration. Bro, why is the keep up? Responsive design, UI development. I remember when I was so serious on responsive design one time. UI and UX. UI and UX. Where's that one? UI and UX design. There you go. And then we have state management. That is some big concept in React, but it's not gonna exist here. Um, performance optimizing. Let's see, performance optimization. Wow. Git. Bro, no. No, man. What the heck? Weather application. The heck, man. Why is it? This is like the second time it did it. Hate it honestly so much. Web, mobile, and software. Um, Other software development. Um, this one. Bro, this is terrible. Come on. Okay. React. Front end development. Then we have JavaScript. Then we got API integration. Okay, now it's not case sensitive. Um, Responsive design. UI development. I'll say UI, UX design. State management didn't exist. A performance optimization did exist. Then we have Git. Git does okay, finally. And then we have web application development. So it's basically web application development. Okay, so we have that one. We need one more just to have the, and that should be our um, Django. Bro, I'm gonna have to update my Contra today too because it's so outdated, man. It is so outdated. So, it's the profile. Oh, terrible. Man, this is like the best. What best? This is the worst ever. Now do the same for this one. Contra honestly has the worst. I think it's the worst images and worst everything. Django e-commerce platform with secure payment integration. Let's see. Client goal. The details about the contribution of the project and an overview of the project success. Okay, we don't have an image for that. We're gonna have to generate one. Generate me a modern looking image for this app so I can add it to my portfolio section on Upwork agency page. Let's see what it does. Thank you. It was a funny app that I created 3 years ago when I didn't know about React, and it was a noob app. Okay, but you guys can now see like it was like when I was just learning React first time. So let's see what it does now. Creates. Bro, it kind of got the whole vibe of what um, Django looks like actually. I couldn't download it. Yeah, I could say um, um, what Django? I don't know. Can you make it more modern looking? Uh, let's see what it does. I just need to make it look more appealing, bro. I don't know how long this stream is gonna go for. So until we complete all these, I remember one project we missed on Fiverr. I might would have to update those um, pricings as well. Let me see. One moment. Okay, I did the exact same thing. It didn't even change anything, honestly. Anyways, let's just see what we can do. You know, go back a bit. And then we have skills. Um, Django, Python, full stack development, e-commerce development, I'll take platform, payment integration, Stripe, mm, web application development, backend development, Bootstrap. What an old thing. If someone says Bootstrap now, it kind of feels like in the 80s. HTML, CSS, HTML, CSS. Bro, that looks so bad. I don't know why. JavaScript. Also, this looks bad. Secure transactions and responsive design. Responsive design. I'm gonna rearrange. So we're gonna see the Balto one on the top. Then we're gonna see the Cleverly Estate. Gonna see Rome Epic, Django, real-time weather, and then okay. I think we're good. I'm gonna add a feature clients section now. So yeah, people are climbing and going away. Let me see one thing here. Fully black mile. All right, so let's go back and see what we can do. So we added those portfolio sections, featured clients. I don't know, we can't feature anyone. You must receive permission from your client to reference their name and projects. If you cannot use their name, try a short description. Global e-commerce. I'll see if I say Belto.world. Okay, can we do Belto.world? Let's see. Uh, okay. Okay. Now let's go to the featured client section. I want to add Belto.world. See? Okay. So we can just keep adding these featured clients here. The Pixen is another one. So you can just say, okay, the draft index. Okay. And then I'll say the draft index. Man, now do the same for the draft index. Let's see. Bro, where is the Upwork? Okay. Um, see if we can just add that. Can we? Okay, we could. Alright, so Belto World, the draft index, and we need one more. Um, Canton registry. CantonRegistry.com. Canton. Canton. Okay. It's on Vercel. Okay. Do for this too. Alright. CantonRegistry.com. Okay, let's keep adding, keep adding, keep adding, keep. Pum 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 pum. Alright, I think 3 are okay right now. Work history, inviter. Bro, I don't know. I'm trying to add my members, but it doesn't allow me. Invitations, teams, members. Like even searched this guy, it doesn't come up. I searched the other guy, it doesn't come up. And I'm not able to add users because I don't have to add team members upgrade to an Agency Plus membership or log into an Agency Plus account. That's the exact thing. Okay, so we're gonna have to update the phone number here as well. So +1. So we're gonna say 609, 807, 58, 69. So that's there. Let's go back. I think there still needs to be a banner. That's what we need. I think there has to be something changed here. Cleverly taken. Let's try to put Rome epic. Let's see. Looks better. Maybe I don't know. Can you add more things? Add location, primary location. Rewards, awards. Um, add 3 different awards. And that code crusher received. Received. Needs to look good on the Upwork agency page. I don't know, one thing I was really hoping was to let's see if do we have other languages? Will people normally put languages? English. Clutch. Staunch. Bro, if we look at clutch, it also have coding cleverly if you look at it. So we're not like behind. I don't see anymore. AI code generation. Location services. Get managed leaders matrix. Let's see. Clear that. It's not gonna clear now. Say Austin. What's located in Austin? Bootstrap. Accelerated AI ML workflow. No, I just changed to 157. So many companies, man. All right. Anyways, yeah. Well, our client focus we want to update. So let's go back here. Client focus, founded, agency members. I think we're good. Office, location. Okay, now we need to update the banner. All right. So let's see if we can edit this now. Can we add? Okay, cool. We could add. See what? Web development. Continue. All right. So now we can add those sections. So since we have AI, add. So for like this one, right? So web development, we can add something like a website. Okay. So it says no project showcase, and then we show a project. So it like looks like this. All right. Then we have edit. Then for project showcase, we can look at show a mobile application like this one, right? And then save it. Then for this one, go and show this one. Okay, I think I messed up here. I can't do the same. So for this one, I need a mobile application. Mm, so mobile, web mobile, e-commerce. Then over here we can add this one. Okay. Okay, anyways, what we need is a banner. So I'll go back here. Let's see. Okay, you mentioned creating a very impactful and successful banner for Code Crusher. Oh yeah, let's see. I'll bring the conversation what it talked about earlier. So yeah, banner image generation. No. Um, upload Belto, Mern, Weather app. Raise hourly rate gradually add minimum project size. Minimum one pin 1 to 2 AI MVP projects. That's what it said. I pinned that one. Banner headline. If you want, I can generate the banner. Uh, next, exactly size for Upwork. And then we can attach the old one. So over here. So cover Upwork. Attached is how the old one looked like. Also, I attached the logo of the company as well. Okay, so let's see. What's the company's logo? Company's logo is this. All right. See what happens, bro. I'm not sure it's gonna generate it properly, but well, let's see. I did the. I don't know, man. Some people just add those images and stuff like that. So many Discord servers. How many community people do we have now? 150? Not bad. I think mostly are like Ghost. Okay, this is not even the size what I wanted, but it's not exactly it. Let's see. Upwork banner. It's dumb because it doesn't do what we are told it to do. Mm, Upwork new banner. Okay, and I'm paste that here. Maybe let's go to Canva. Dimensions are not right. So let's go here. Canvas. Canva. Upwork. Um, let's see. Create Upwork banner. Um, Upwork banner dimensions. So it says it's 3,200 pixels wide. It's not gonna do it. 3,200 custom size. 3,000. 3,000. Come on, man. Why is my keys not working? 3,200 by 320. It's not gonna do it, bro. It doesn't have the capability right now. I'm messing up everything, bro. Let's see. Upwork, new banner. See what happens, bro. I still have the old one. So, hey, what's up? What's going on here? It's we're building an agency startup. So, showing you how an agency is being created on Upwork and how we can sell our software skills to customers all over the world. So, if you guys are interested in sticking around, then watch how we take something raw and then publish it. So that's what we're trying to do right now. So you can see over here, this is the old one. We'll change it and we'll paste this one. I'm not sure if this is going to look good, but let's see. I don't even see the text. Can we change it to the transparent logo? I don't think it's going to look good, but let's see. I think it's been years I didn't change this. I don't know. I don't know what you guys think about this one. What do you guys think? Is this good? Agency page. Will customers buy things from here? Maybe we should edit this section as well. Let's see. Edit profile. Edit. Put Rome Epic in the first. Intelligence weather app second. Let's see. Okay, maybe it's better now. Okay. I don't know. I just tried improving it. I hope it's better. Okay. This video can definitely be updated. You know, some other people have um, different ways of how they're showcasing. So this one doesn't have any image, I see. Hmm, interesting. Okay, so you're saying that it's touching that. Let's see. How can we fix it then? We bring the text over here on the right. Let me see. Go back to Canva. So if I bring the text here on the right, right here, then I'm gonna have to copy something similar to this and bring it here. A color like this one. Let's see this one. 2.0. If it doesn't work out, we'll just keep the old one. It looks good on that section, but maybe this should be a little up. It shouldn't be that black. You see that? If only we could color that. Paint. Mm-hmm. Bro, what the heck? Now it's showing there. Oh man, why? Alright, so let's just keep it for now like this. Mm, go back to the freelancer profile. I think we missed one um, project that I was thinking of adding. Maybe it's the Pixin, so see. Yeah, let's just add that one. Bro, this is terrible. I don't like that. So let's add nothing in the draft. Okay, now want to add the draft index, the project in the freelancer profile section on Upwork or R is that the R. Um, let's see, draft index, draftindex.com. हाँ इस वीक कर लेते हैं. So got that. Let's quickly go over Contra and just fix those things out. Basketball. Or no, it's the application. So it's the Django application. It should be over here somewhere. Continue. Belto. See, man. Oh shit, don't add her. Okay, so let's see how it changed the profile because those other ones were. Bro, what is this? It still didn't update it. It should update it. Alright, so now let's go with something else. This one. Edit. And travel blog, we have it somewhere over here. Can we just delete this image? Alright, travel blog is somewhere over here. Yeah. Then we're gonna have to add the travel blog. So Cleverly Estate, Belto World, travel blog. Mhm. Mhm. I don't know why I have to do it 2 times. Mhm. Mhm. Should be updated soon. It should update by itself. Real estate. Cleverly Estate, where are you? Why is it not working now? Used to work, man. Okay, got stuck or something. Cleverly estate. Railway. Render. Bro. Maybe it's this one. Cleverly estate. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, those are not getting updated, so most probably we're gonna have to do that. Oh, they're terrible, bro. It is disgusting. Tech Haven is this one. Who gave me a bad review? I don't understand. डिटेल ये किसी ने गंद मारा होना है यहाँ पे. Robotic Pro open for full stack AI apps that need to be built. Hire me today. am I building? I'm building a full stack AI enterprise agency called Code Crusher. I can which can build full stack applications. So this is the link. Code Crusher. Hope this link is the correct one. Yep. Just upload another one. This time we'll do Robe Epic. Continue. Code. We could add a description here. Just like how it was done over here in Robe Epic. Yeah. Paste. Bro, paste the thing like that. It looks better. Alright, so confirm. This one's the worst image ever. Belto has its own project, so I don't want to do it right now. So we're just not going to associate it with anything. Title. Give me a 160 max character. Give a dog a bone. The soul man came running home. The soul man, he plays six. He plays knick-knack. Travel, tourism. heck is that, man? I'm bound to. Okay. Oh man. Kina, Aya, and I was sing where can't see the glory. Well, I can show him the Upwork page. I can show him the controversial fiber page. Yeah. Holly, holly, Jonathan. Okay. Then we can add clinic color and other things. AI, LLM. LLM is not going to be large language models. Large language. Machine learning. Oh man. AI. Design. AI engineer. AI agent developer. AI engineer. AI. LLMs. ChatGPT. Claude. Llama. Meta. Lovable. There's Melto. World. Let's just add clinic color in the other one. It's a little tough, but we can do it. We can do many ways of. guys have last year for so long. Portfolio. Mm-hmm. 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 Delta. Sometimes I'm best to get Yo, yo, yo. Generate. It can't do it in one request, so it needs another push. Bonnie. Bro, why are we so. Bro, that's so lame. Why the heck? It's not generating good images anymore. Anyway, just give me the title for this. And 160 character max description. Alright, this one's our last one. Why is it not available, man? Okay, so let's just save this. Save images. Mm-hmm. 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 complexity. Codex. Let's see, codex. मैं cursor जीत गया बाजी. Professional services. Artificial intelligence. I think we're good. Let's go ahead and to Fiverr. I think we missed one. So let's see. It's been quite some time on the live stream now. Whoa, we're almost 3 hours in. I think this is going to be the longest stream for me. Okay, I think we're gonna have to update the gigs here. So gigs, 7 days. Still getting gigs. Edit. Mm. Trying to go over the pricing. Yeah. Let's change that to 20. This to 40. This to 80. Why does it keep going down? I don't get it. Bro, I just had a good review. Doesn't make sense, man. He never got a 1 star.
shopping tree, as you know, this is so
390 review. He beat me actually because yeah, if you look at it, 358. Okay, I think that's pretty much it with this stream. Um, I don't know. See, um, I don't know, man. What is he even talking about? I think we're good. I don't know what's left to add one more project. I'll call it as clinic caller. Alright, so let's see. Over here we can add. So, अगर review में आया तो फिर जो public review है, it's gonna be something else. I have the available now badge. That's good. No balances. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it with this live stream. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.